Today's recipe, homemade keto chocolate bars. You will need organic cocoa butter, 100% unsweetened baker's chocolate, coconut oil, powdered erythritol, liquid stevia, vanilla extract, and chocolate molds. Let's get started. I first start by combining the cocoa butter with the unsweetened baker's chocolate. Then I add the coconut oil. Now I'm going to place this in the microwave for about a minute. So it's been about a minute and I'm giving it a quick stir. I can still see bits of the cocoa butter, so I'm going to go ahead and place this back in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Okay, so now I'm giving it a quick stir. You can see our chocolate is melted nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining ingredients. First, I start by adding the powdered erythritol. I'm going to give that a quick stir to combine the ingredients. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add our liquid stevia, and about 10 drops seems to do the trick. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract and give that a quick stir. Now I'm pouring our chocolate mixture into the magic bullet, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a spin for about 15 to 20 seconds. Here you see me pouring the liquid into the chocolate bar mold. This recipe will make 3 chocolate bars. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and place these into my freezer for about 20 minutes, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. And this is what it looks like coming right out of the freezer. And now I'm going to go ahead and pop them right out of the chocolate bar mold, and it comes out really easily. And that's what it looks like, guys. So there you have it, our delicious, guilt-free chocolate bars. If you like this recipe, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. And as always, I thank you all for watching.